Hi guys, long time no see and welcome back to my channel. The reason why I'm recording today is because I got a cool little thing and I want to unbox it with you guys. FYI, it took me forever to set up today. Like, I couldn't find stuff. Just crazy. So we are talking Chanel. So guys, I wanted something. I go to Disney all the time. I have my diaper bag. I don't actually carry my purse at all because, well, even when I'm by myself, which is very infrequent, like dentist appointment infrequent, I don't want to take everything out and then put everything back and yada, yada, yada. So I wanted something to carry my cards in that I can just, hey, throw in the diaper bag. When I need something, I can use it, which is great. So first, let me show you everything and then I'll keep rambling on, okay? Let's talk about it. I went to the store and got it because this is my first Chanel purchase, which if you guys don't know, for your first Chanel purchase, you have to purchase it in a physical store. So what I was looking for wasn't in a store and they were like, yeah, you can't actually purchase it anywhere else for us to send it to you until you have a profile, which you can only get if you make a purchase, not a beauty purchase, but an actual like clothing or leather good purchase, necklace or what have you. So let me open it and then I'll tell you the rest. Oh, right? That's so pretty. Like, this is a flower and everything, and yeah, cool. It is the classic card holder, and I got it in lambskin in gold tone. If you hear anything, that is my wonderful daughter. I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna hurry this along. I'm blabbing too much. Here we go. So exciting. Okay. I love a good unboxing, right? Okay, so isn't this fancy? It comes in a pretty pouch. Look at that. That's nice. All right, and here we go. This is a small little thing for my cards. It's soft. My husband said that I'm going to be like, oh, isn't this soft? Isn't this delicate? Yeah, it's soft and it's delicate. They say lambskin actually is not as durable as the caviar, but I like the look of the lambskin. It just looks prettier. It looks, I don't know, looks nicer to me. Just my opinion. Okay, so I wanted it in the silver tone, and I was on the wait list for like a month to get it in silver tone. And I just so decided I was at the mall. Let me stop by the Chanel store and see if they have anything else that's comparable in stock. And they had the exact one, but in gold tone. The two C's are in gold. This retails for $5.50, and it comes in different variations and all that good stuff. But I was like, am I gonna get it? No, I waited in line to get in the store for about 30 minutes to see. And they had this, and I'm like, I don't know. Then I sent a picture to my husband. I'm like, am I being too anal about the silver C's instead of the gold C's because I wanted silver? And he goes, yeah, you probably are. And to be honest, if the silver one comes in stock, then okay. But, you're waiting on the silver one, and what is the silver matching? I was like, well, I just like it. I'm just throwing it in my diaper bag. So here we go. Let's open it up so it buttons. This is just an unboxing. I'm not going to tell you how long it lasts or how many cards it can fit and all that stuff because I haven't done any of that yet. I got this yesterday and it seems like my little girl is ready for me to stop soon. Oh, it's an authentication card. We certified the authenticity of this item and confirmed that it has been subjected to the most exacting quality control. Its high quality is a symbol of the fine reputation of the trademark. That's nice. So it's a number on there. So it says Chanel, and inside it says made in France. And it has one big pocket, and then it has a small pocket right here. Oh, it has the number with the 2 C's on inside. It's a serial number. Oh, that's nice. And on the back, it has a pocket, which is nice. So yeah, it's really pretty. It's soft. It'll be easy just to throw in and throw out of the bag, which would be lovely. Is this a scratch? I think it is a scratch. I'll have to see. Okay, guys, this has been a very quick unboxing. I hope this was helpful to you guys if any of you guys were looking at this, at the lambskin. I think this is a scratch. I think I bought it with a scratch on it because this was the last one left. I would prefer it not have a scratch. And so, yeah, we'll see about that. So, yeah, I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I will see you next time. And yeah, bye. Yeah, this is pretty. It's soft, it's nice, but I definitely think that's a scratch. And so I'm going to have to definitely, I didn't get a deal on it. So yeah, I'll have to find out about that.